The first choice you have to make between Beat It or Bad.
God,
Yes.
bad.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Bad.
Bad?
Bad.
All right. Thriller or Black or White?
Thriller.
Thriller.
Yeah. Very good choice. Moonwalk or the 45-degree lean, which is the tougher to pull off?
Oh, definitely the lean,
Yeah.
but moonwalk is iconic. So
Iconic, yeah. Moonwalk's iconic.
Have you done the lean? Could you do the lean?
He does it a lot. I mean, on his shows.
I do it every now and then without harness, but I don't go as low as Mike does because I do it without any support.
Like you're just defying gravity, like on your own, aren't you? Cons or dons? Who make the better dancers?
Cons.
Cons.
This word don is still not
The,
managed
the
to.
Dons would wish they would. The Dons
Don
would wish
wishes they would. All right. If it's a choice between going for a holiday to Graceland, Neverland, or as someone suggested, Tomorrowland, which would you choose?
Neverland.
Neverland.
Home.
Home? All right. Which is your favorite cameo that's happened in an MJ video?
Wesley
And then-
Snipes.
Wesley
Bad.
Snipes. Yeah? That's a nice one.
I love Naomi Campbell.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That was a pretty
No.
intense. Naomi Campbell. All right. Now this one is actually specifically for you, but we start with you. If you had to make a choice between Shiva Ka Insaf, Parinda, and King Uncle,
Shiva Ka Insaf. I love Shiva Ka Insaf.
always.
Seeing your dad as a superhero is the biggest high. Yeah. Yeah.
They must be. For you,
Parinda,
Parinda.
always.
Parinda. All right. The one thing you've learned from Tiger,
Dedication and
Yeah.
discipline. Yeah.
the worst part of promotion month.
The worst part.
Yes.
I think
Definitely not this interview.
I was a bit worried you might say.
No, because of you and because of all these lovely people.
Yes,
yeah,
thank
all
you.
the
Yes,
time, so.
actually.
But the worst part would probably be the constant question and answer game. You know, which the interviewer already knows the answer to, but he'll still ask. He or she will still ask.
Yeah.
for me, I think just not getting enough sleep. The rest is all good. It's my first film, so I'm really excited.
Give it time.
Yeah.
The worst part would be someone coming to you without proper research and they're all over the place.
What is your guilty pleasure when it comes to the following? Food.
Ice cream. I love ice cream.
Yeah.
French fries.
French fries.
Food, everything.
Everything. Okay. Leisure time. Reading, watching movies or shows.
Cartoons. No, I like anime very much.
For me, it's just TV. I can watch
Yeah.
anything. My
Ah.
favorite show keeps changing.
Yeah.
I can watch anything. Yeah.
Okay.
All the
I'm waiting for the Game of Thrones to start. I'm really.
This is a legitimate choice.
Yes.
And your vacation guilty pleasure when you're vacationing.
Any beach location. Yeah.
Yeah. Nature.
Nature?
Nature.
I think the Greens.
The Greens. Now we are going to end with the Bernard Pivot, James Lipton, Marcel Proust questionnaire, depending on who credits to who. It's very simple, but it's one that we love a lot. What is your favorite word?
Word,
Word.
action.
Nice.
Favorite word. Oh, I never thought of that. I don't know. Gali de sakta hun
Yeah. Entirely. It's actually one
I'm
of the.
kidding. Right now, Michael.
Good one for you.
Peace
Please.
of mind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lovely. Least favorite word.
Least favorite word. गाली बोल सकता हूँ? नहीं, least favorite word. Can't.
Can't.
Yeah.
Completion.
Okay.
I'm gonna steal his answer. It's too good. Can't.
Yeah. All right. What sound or noise do you love?
What sound? The sound of the rain falling. Can't. Beautiful music.
Michael's music.
I approve.
For me, it's people's laughter, especially like my mom or dad or kids or whatever. It's just really nice to hear.
What sound or noise do you hate?
Nails on.
Chalkboard.
Yes. Yeah.
Farting. Gee.
Traffic. Because
Okay.
I live kind of my house on the main road.
Right.
so-
What profession other than your own would you like to attempt?
Football
Right.
player.
Yes.
Writing
Yeah.
books.
Writing books?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Just this.
Just this?
Just this.
All right. What profession other than your own would you hate to attempt?
Stuntman. Honestly. It's because, they put in so much effort and hard work, and they don't get the credit they deserve and the respect they deserve. That's why.
That's very
But I'd
lovely.
like to change that someday. Yeah.
That's amazing.
The Mumbai Municipal Corporation, especially in the rains.
No, please. They're fine. The rest of
Actually-
us
they're actually
who are
fine.
not
They're
so
actually
fine.
fine,
That's true.
I think those, I don't know what exactly it is, but some people they write those cards with animals in the front and people sitting behind.
Yeah,
I think
yeah,
that's really cruel on
The
the
bullock carts.
animals.
Yes, I
Yeah,
would
so
agree.
I think
Yeah,
that
yeah.
is something that no one should do.
What turns you on emotionally, creatively, spiritually? What turns you on?
Creativity.
Creativity. Okay, nice.
Obstacles. I love challenges and obstacles to overcome and better myself somehow or the other. Yeah.
Okay. You?
I think just nice and genuine things, people, whatever. Yeah.
What turns you off?
Lots of things. Stuff.
Non-creative people.
Terrorism.
I think just unkind, rudeness, mean, whatever, all of that.
Mean-spiritedness.
Yeah.
No, fair enough.
Yeah.
All right, if heaven exists, what would you like to hear God say to you finally at the pearly gates?
I'm giving you one more life.
Yeah, I would say no
Colin.
to that.
I'm sending you back to the same family.
Oh, that's
So
yeah.
sweet.
That's and yeah, in your case, it's a pretty
Yeah.
I'm sending you back to a different family. Joking.
Can we join his? Something like that.
Yeah.
Anyway, listen, thank you guys so much. It's been such a pleasure having you on
Thank
the
you so
show.
much.
Thank you for joining us, for being so generous